In this video, I'm going to tell you why the daily bias is the enemy within. When you come to the market and you look at the NASDAQ and you create a daily bias, whether bullish or bearish, you're no longer trading, you're guessing. As a sniper, we don't guess. As a sniper, we don't make predictions. We see what is and we take action. Let's take a look at it. On January 2nd, 2026, I took 3 trades. I made $582. You would think I'd be happy. You would think I'd be ecstatic. All 3 trades were winning trades. $582, not too bad for trading micros. But am I happy? Negative. Why? My daily bias stopped me from making thousands. Let's take a look. So I came to the NASDAQ on the morning of January 2nd. I'm looking at this uptrend on the hour chart. Right there at 8 a.m. The move started around 2, 3 o'clock a.m. And guess what? All night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 hours. Broke this level right here. So what did I do? I created a daily bias. I became Miss Cleo, thinking I could predict. Look what happened next. Carnage. 400-point waterfall. Total carnage. I was so convinced with my thesis, my daily bias, I doubled down on it. I went to the 5-minute chart right here. I drew this trend line. And then I said, oh yeah, pre-market, look, we broke above the trend. Now for sure, I am Miss Cleo. I can predict the future. This thing is going to go up. So then I was so cemented in my brain that since we broke this long downward trend, this long trend, that we're going to go up. So now I'm thinking, okay, well, where are we going to head to? Where's the first place that liquidity is hiding that this thing wants to go and grab? So I look and I see right here at 820, 25,820.75, right there. That's what it wants. I was certain I would have bet the farm on it, that for sure there would be no reversal until it went up and swept this high. It had to go get the liquidity at 820. That was my daily bias. I was set that for sure no reversal until this level right here. And as you can see, if you look real close, we got to 802.25. All right, so let's take a look at what happened. So here you can see at pre-market at about 825, I went long, made some money. 845, I went long, made some money, got stopped out right there. Now, what did I miss? I missed this right here, this fair value gap. Very simple. This fair value gap. And I missed this one that's inverted. See this? This got inverted. This fair value gap. Market structure shift. This is my strategy, folks. This is what I teach. This tank for the green team gets taken out. New fair value gap. Another one there. Market structure shift. Enter. Sell. Make your money. Did I take it? No. And as you can see, 400-point move. Totally missed. Why? I allowed the enemy of daily bias distract me from what I know. Look at this. It wasn't even 10 o'clock. By 9:59, we had gone down from 760 to 360, 400 points. All I had to do was my plan. This green tank was taken out. This fair value gap was taken out. New fair value gap came. Market structure shift. You enter. If I was too scared to enter there because of this fair value gap, okay, enter on this one. How about this one? Folks, never again am I going to allow a daily bias to hinder me from making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, missing out on a huge move. I sat and watched this all day. So the lesson is this. Here, well, let me show you something, one more thing. So what's the strategy? I mean, here, look at this. This is the pullback. Nice bear flag. Fair value gap, enter. See? Fair value gap, enter. Those are tanks. It's going down more. Fair value gap, enter. It's a fair value gap strategy on the 1 minute chart. It's very simple. When you see a fair value gap on the green team, it's looking strong, right? You got one right here. But once that tank is taken out and you get a market structure shift with a new fair value gap, you switch sides. You join forces and you short. You would have taken profit right here once it broke this 20 SMA. Once a new fair value gap came for the other team, you would have been out. You could have entered long and maybe only made a couple dollars on this trade up. That would have been a dangerous place since it's a flush out day, right? You want to stick with the trend. But the setup was there. You could have snatched a little bit, but you got to be ready for the break of this bear flag. With the fair value gap, guess what? You enter. You enter. You know it's going to break these lows. And as long as you see some more fair value gaps, you know you got strength. Well, folks, that's the lesson for today. No more daily biased. Let the fair value gaps tell you the story. And just believe them. If the fair value gaps tell you that they want to do something different, they're not listening to your daily bias. You have to listen to the fair value gaps. The fair value gaps tell you the story. They tell you the direction. You listen to them on the 1 minute chart. That's it. As snipers, we don't play guessing game. No more guessing games. No more missing out. God bless.